Have you ever wondered how to properly plant and care for bulbs? Understanding this can bring a riot of color to your garden with minimal effort. So if you're dreaming of a garden full of vibrant tulips, daffodils, or hyacinths, you're in the right place. First things first, when is the best time to plant bulbs? Most bulbs thrive when planted in the fall, prior to the first frost. However, bear in mind that both the bulb type and your local climate can influence this timing. Remember, timing is key to ensure your bulbs bloom beautifully. Now that you know when to plant, let's talk about how to plant your bulbs. First, select an area that gets plenty of sun and has well-draining soil. Next, prepare the soil by loosening it with a garden fork or tiller. Add some compost for extra nutrients if needed. Now plant your bulbs. The depth should be 3 times the height of the bulb. Make sure the pointed end is facing up. With these steps, you're well on your way to a stunning bulb garden. After planting, how do you ensure your bulbs grow into healthy, vibrant flowers? Just like any other plant, bulbs require attention and care. Regular watering is key, especially during dry spells. Fertilizing, though not always necessary, can give your bulbs a nutrient boost. After blooming, don't rush to remove the leaves. Let them yellow naturally. They're feeding the bulb for next season. Remember, patience pays off in gardening. Proper care will ensure your bulbs not only survive but thrive, offering you a spectacular floral display. So there you have it, your guide to planting and caring for bulbs. We've covered everything from identifying the right time to plant bulbs to the actual planting process, and even how to care for your bulbs to ensure they bloom beautifully. Remember, a garden full of vibrant blooming bulbs is worth the effort and patience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.